Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
Bitcoin has gained 3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI has moved sharply into oversold territory. The euro-dollar pair has stood still in the last session. The Williams indicator has skyrocketed into positive territory. The sterling-dollar pair has gained 0.6% in the last 3 sessions. The RSI has gradually diminished into the neutral area. The Aussie-dollar pair has added 0.4% in the last session. The ROC has skyrocketed into positive territory.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Facebook Inc. pledged to invest at least $1 billion in the news industry over the next 3 years, days after a high-profile standoff with the Australian government over paying news outlets for content. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson has promised to maintain government support for the economy during the phased exit from lockdown, hinting that current support schemes could be extended. Stocks declined and bond yields surged despite a pledge from the Federal Reserve that it would continue supporting the U.S. economy.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The U.S. non-defense capital goods orders will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. gross domestic product annualized at 13:30 GMT. Germany's GfK Consumer Confidence Survey at 700 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 1000 GMT, Japan's leading economic index at 500 GMT, Japan's industrial production at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.